What is perforated leather? So sometimes we'll ask you this on the phone or on our website, and here's what we mean by that. This panel right here on this seat is just normal solid leather hide. And this piece is a perforated piece. It has these tiny pinholes stamped into it and a unique design for that seat. So there are several different types of perforated leather. You can see that all of these are very unique, have different hole sizes, and one cannot be substituted for another. We know that it is very important to you to get the right seat cover for your vehicle, and you want that assurance when you order that the seat cover you receive is going to match exactly the rest of your interior. So here at the Seat Shop, we manufacture everything to OEM standards with the highest quality. That means the color, the stitching, the grain of the leather, even right down to the perforation in the leather if you have it. So if you found this video informative and helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any other questions, just comment below or give us a call.